So my refrigerator just gassed me and then fell on the floor while I was trying to clean it. So apparently something has gone wrong in this wiring system here that made everything turn blue and basically rot out and cause a very toxic and awful smell to come out of it. And then since I had unscrewed some of the screws while washing it, everything tumbled down. I think maybe breaking part of that and at least landing onto something. So hopefully everything's still kind of in one piece. Cleaning time.